listen to the engine here. The latch is right there. Super easy access. Really nice. Sounds good. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 32,792 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering you see here, and or if you see any at all, that's just in camera. That is not in person. So that going crazy, it's not in person. And with the shade closed, it's fully blacked out, so that's really, really nice. Just massive console, really, really cool interior. And then with the shade closed, it's a full blackout, so that's really nice. Now with the off-road tires, you're gonna hear them a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that in camera. They do have a little bit of a growl. I would definitely say it's not obnoxious, but it is there. That shift's really nice. Alignment's perfect, driving nice and straight. No shakes or shimmies in the wheel. Position is perfect. On the brakes kind of hard up here at the light. So 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid, no issues there, no vibrations, no weird, shakes or shimmies in the wheel. It's perfectly solid. Auto start stop just kicked off, but that is something you can turn off. I'm gonna get on it just a little bit here. Definitely gets up and goes. I love driving these, and they're just super cool. As far as drivability goes though, no complaints. Everything is absolutely perfect here. Really, really nice. So you do have the 360 camera, really nice quality backup camera. And then when you put it in drive, you actually have a front view camera, so that's everything we see out here. Like I said, ignore that flickering. There you go. Really cool front view camera. Then push the button for park. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. There's no PPF on this car anywhere, which is paint protection film. And the date code on all 4 tires is 2021. So now we're gonna go panel by panel and check over this car. We're gonna drive it, look in the engine bay, just kind of go through this whole thing. Here on the tires, like I said, date code 2021, 275 60/20s. But looking at that tread, ton of tread left. Looking at the wheels, they're a dark gray color, which is really cool. Looks good. Gloss black trim, looks awesome. Beautiful silver paint here. Couple rock chips right there. Very subtle. Got the gloss black here, looks good. That gloss black looks amazing. Now if you look at this, you see it has kind of a purple hue to it. Super common on these. I see it on Jaguar, Aston Martins. Very, very common. So check that out. See the purple hue? Used to be gloss black and the sun just kind of fades them. Like I said, I see that on pretty much every single one of them. Of course, you could replace it, but it's just going to do that again. I would recommend vinyl wrapping that gloss black or just having it custom painted if you don't like the purple hue. Looking at that, looks good. Pillars nice and clean. I see Little chip there, a couple more here, a few small ones there, and then right on the edge, these are pretty deep. You have some gashes. Those are not going to come out. You can feel those with your nail. That looks good. That wheel looks nice. Tread, once again, really nice. All that gloss black up top looks good. So the only purple's around the trim there and that little piece here. The surround all of that's gloss black, looks good. Got a larger rock chip here, a couple small ones, a few little guys. Upper side of the hood looks good. Of course, you're going to have typical rock impacts on the front end. It's all very subtle though, nothing out of the ordinary. Really clean. Little chip there. Looks good. I don't see any rash on that wheel. Tires look nice. See, you're going to see the purple there, the purple here. Let's see, little chip there. Being silver, it hides it really well though. The rest that looks good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel, so that looks awesome. I like the two-tone here. Looks good. It's a P400 series. All of that looks nice. Got a cover for that tire. Got some massive mud flaps. Trying to scan this lower side. I see a scratch right there. Otherwise, it's in great condition. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You have the all black with the white accents around the steering wheel and here on the dash. Looks really, really cool. Beautiful, beautiful interior, non-smoker, exceptionally clean. Just looking around the car. Got the all-weather mats front and back and rear. Looking at that door panel. Got this soft touch material up here, really nice. Same down here. Really cool. I mean, you have to touch this in person to really understand it, but it's a really unique material. I like that. And this is typical plastic, memory seating. All of this looks really, really nice. Tons of storage. Got the illuminated trim here. Seats are in great condition. That bolster looks nice. Very, very clean. I love the look of that steering wheel with the white. Super cool. 32,000 miles. Nice storage cubby here. Also has the pass-through. You have a pass-through back here, which is super cool. That goes all the way across. Got the screen here and there. Shifter on the dash there, nice and easy. Massive storage. Big pass-through under there. Wireless charging pad right here. More storage there. When you roll the front windows down, you can hear the tent. I think it's in this corner. Probably is lifting a little bit. You can hear that. It's very subtle, but it's on these front windows. And then here on the door handle, you do have a chip. Looking at this door panel, that looks good. Got the memory seating, nice and clean. That looks awesome. All-weather mats. This is illuminated. Looking at the seat, it's incredibly clean. It's in great condition. This side looks good. I mean, just tons of storage. Got this massive pass-through down here. You got the pass-through behind the screen, which I love. USB-C port. Soft touch materials here. Upper side of the dash looks good. These are just super, super cool. Of course, massive panoramic roof. Not much to pick apart over here. Here on the back right door panel, it's in great condition. Got the Land Rover all-weather mats all the way across. Seat back looks good. These seats look awesome. Got the little locks here for the car seats, nice and clean. Really no complaints on these seats. Here on the seat back, you can see they are heated. There's all your charging ports, 2 USB-C. Typical cigarette ports right there, cigarette outlet ports. Got the air vents here. Massive panoramic roof, awesome view. You have the little skylights in the corner. These things are just super cool. Look at that. All that trim looks good. Nice and clean. Got the upgraded rubber liner. Has some soft padding on the bottom, which I like. It's going to be pretty heavy. Let's check under here though. Good amount of storage. Locks in. All of that's in great condition. You can raise and lower the rear suspension, so it's easier to get stuff in and out. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Solid, and you have a little button here. Makes it easy to open and close, so you don't actually pull that. In the engine bay, all of the plastics have been fully protected, and they look really good. Here's your windshield washer fluid tank, easy access, very nice. The liner here looks absolutely perfect. Beautiful engine bay.